This video will demonstrate how to use Journal Citation Reports to find journals that fall under different categories. Start out at the MCW Library's website. Scroll down until you find our Popular Databases and All Databases link. From here, navigate to Journal Citation Reports by clicking J and selecting the resource. If you're off campus, you'll have to log in to Open Athens using your MCW login information. You can search by category by typing in words into the search box and looking for the category name. Or you can browse categories. For clinical medicine titles, find this grouping and then find the appropriate category. You may find two options for categories. One is the Science Citation Index edition, and the other is Emerging Sources Citation Index. There's going to be a lot of overlap between the two. Emerging Sources might contain some newer titles that haven't yet made it into Science Citation Index. So we can view the journals under this category by clicking the first link. Journals are arranged by order of impact, so highest impact journals fall at the top of the list. To view more information about a journal, click on the title. You can find out which additional categories the journal falls under. Scrolling down, you can get the journal impact factor. And you can also see how the journal ranks by impact factor according to the categories it falls under. So here this journal falls under the category of both geriatrics and gerontology and general and internal medicine. In both categories, this journal ranks in the top quartile. To browse additional categories, go to the top of the page and select Browse Categories, and you can start all over again at Clinical Medicine.